you guys this egg I left in vinegar for a day and a night. Now it's squishy. Yeah, and that was a brownie. These. I'm gonna go across the street and break it. Let's go. Okay. It's gonna take me. Just give me a minute to get over the. Oh, Cheez-Its. Gotta eat Cheez-Its.
You stay with her and watch out for cars, okay? And do what she tells you to.
Okay. You can be your roller skates if you want. Alright, yeah.
Watch the cars, Jackson.
I got fast and coming.
Kaylee, make him hold your hand across the street. Or just make sure he doesn't take out and run.
Hey Jackson, stop. Go. Go. Alright, walk. Wait. Stop.
Stop, look, and listen.
Stop, look, and listen.
This is how you get over here.
This is how we do it. No, we gotta go this way.
I'll go down here. Sorry, you.
Ah.
There's rocks.
Come on, Jackie. Egg.
Let's bust that egg. Let's bust that egg on that tree.
I'm gonna go a little farther back, buddy.
Okay. I like this rock.
That's a lot. It was like dissolving in my hand.
Here's where we can bust the egg. Here's a big tree.
We're gonna do it right here. Now we're gonna go over here. Come on, Jackie. Hurry up. As I said, that's why. Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay. Oh God, it smells bad. Ready?
Yeah.
Did you guys see that? Whoa!
Yo.
Whoa! Yay!
It's the egg.
That's the outside. Don't touch it. No. Put that down. That is disgusting.
Let's bust another egg.
We already busted the first one.
Let's bust another one.
Those are the only ones.
Those are all the eggs we got.
Yep. Don't run! That little boy's running away from me. Look at that. Hey! Jackson! What did your dad say? It's a pipe. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe or follow us on Instagram, which is just in Michaelo. Bye! Say bye, Jackson.
Bye.